In this video, I will be showing you how to enable dark mode on YouTube on a PC. Let's get started. First, I open up Google Chrome on my computer and click directly into the search bar. I type in YouTube and select the YouTube search suggestion from the drop-down menu that appears below. Next, I click on the official YouTube link at the top of the search results to open the homepage. Once YouTube loads completely, I navigate all the way to the top right corner of the screen and click on my profile account picture. This opens up a full drop-down menu with several settings and options. I scroll down slightly and locate the Appearance section, which is currently set to Use Device Theme, and click on it to open the Appearance options. Inside the Appearance menu, I see three available choices: Use Device Theme, Light Theme, and Dark Theme. I select Dark Theme by clicking on it directly. The entire page immediately refreshes and updates, instantly switching the background to dark mode. Now, as I scroll through the main homepage feeds, browse through the different video recommendations, and click on a video to start watching, the entire interface stays in a sleek, comfortable, and eye-friendly dark theme. That is all there is to enabling dark mode on YouTube for your PC. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick tips and tutorials.